Hey guys, welcome to the Focus Report. This week we talk Canon rumors, the new Instax SQ6, and leaked images of the DJI Phantom 5 drone. I'm Matt Nelson. Today's Friday, May 18th. First off, the rumors are flying. Canon Rumors reports that Canon is about to release a new 70 to 200mm F4L and F2.8L lenses in June. While we don't know the price of these workhorse lenses or when they'll start shipping, Canon Rumors confirms that an announcement is coming with 100% and 95% certainty, respectively. Next, if you want something that looks like the old Instagram app icon, look no further than the newly announced Instax SQ6 instant film camera. With a 1:1 aspect ratio, it expands to a 2.4 by 2.4 inch square format. Unlike Fujifilm's other square format camera, the SQ10, which is a hybrid of digital and analog, this one is all analog, closer in feel to the original Polaroid. Unlike Fujifilm's other smaller analog camera, the Instax Mini series, the SQ6 has a flash system that calculates brightness to adjust shutter speed to better expose the background and the subject. It also features a double exposure mode and macro, as well as a landscape for scenic shots. Lastly, while nothing is confirmed by DJI, Twitter user OsitaLV allegedly leaked 2 images of the DJI Phantom 5 drone with lenses and controllers. In addition to the images, OsitaLV also showed 3 sketches which suggest that the Phantom 5's interchangeable lens camera will feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4 2.8 lenses. The same user also claimed that it will feature a GPS antenna cover, aluminum shell, and plastic landing gear. That's it for this week's report. Make sure to give us a thumbs up below and then follow our YouTube channel for more great photography content. I'm Matt Nelson. I'll see you next time.